Brent, Michael. Hey, I'm going to be showing you my monster truck collection. I'm inside my room right now. And it's winter. Hurry! Soon it's going to be fall. Boo! Oh wait, no, it's going to be summer soon. My bad.
Usually.
And as you see over here, I have a monster truck cover on my bed. And this says, "Are you ready for Monster Jam?" Monster Jam. Now, let's show you my trucks. Shall we get started? Grave Digger, Crusher, Donkey Kong, and the Bar. Let's just call this guy Bar. I do not know his name, but he's still in the show. Now this one's a mud racer. I've got. As you see, the tires move. The body wiggles a little bit. That's okay. Right here, Hot Wheels. Tires move exactly like that. Body moves a little bit. Now right here it's Charlotte Banding. Tires move very fast and body also moves. Screaming Devil. Sun Impact. Superman. Actually, see, it has a little cape on back.
Can he fly?
Let's see. Still can. That was Superman. Now, I do not know his name, but he looks pretty scary. Because look at the spider on top and skulls. Right here, we got Monster Dalmatian. Monster Mind Dalmatian. Look how cool that is. He has a little tongue sticking out. And right here is, I think Sun Impact is dog. I don't know. But he does have a very weird name. Right here is Striker, whatever. Right here is colors. Very cool. Its truck is very colorful. Red, white, and blue is how colorful it is. Right here I have an orange panther. I do not know the name of it, but how cool that is. Little bumps, eyes, nose, and teeth, stripes.
Okay.
Right here I do not know his name, but he's on a quad. The guy's on a quad and S. Right here is Batman. Right here it's called Mechanical Misfits. And Medusa. Actually, there's a little cheek on the front. Now, let me review this guy. He's very, very fast, as you see. He's running out of battery though. But he'll still work. batteries at the bottom. I lost the bottom though. But this is the remote. This is him. He's a real monster truck. This one's a human. Now right here to switch your monster truck. As you see, you can switch the body. You can have the body however you want. And you can also switch the wheels too. If you do not want that, just switch it. This is what the first one looks like. This is what the second one looks like. So yeah, ouch. Right here is a cool one. It's called Captain's Curse. As you see, Captain, dead Captain. Alive Captain, dead Captain. It's a hat. And look at those words on top. It's cool. He's red. The body wiggles a little bit, but that's okay. Now, I got the crashes. The crashes body. That's how you play with these two. But this, hold on, this one came off before, so yeah, that's why they're called crashers. Anyways, though, that's my monster truck collection. Hope you watch more videos of me. Bye.